Hello friends, in this video I want to talk about how to make a DC voltage source. The performance of this DC power supply is similar to the performance of power supplies available in the market. The main components of this DC power supply include a 24-volt 15-amp metal switching industrial power supply, DC motor PWM speed control module with input voltage 9 to 55 volts DC and 40 amps, and voltage and current digital display module. What is a power supply? A power supply is a device that provides the required electrical energy for an electrical consumer or electrical load. In other words, the power supply delivers the voltage and current at the levels required by the electrical consumer. Laboratory DC power source. Digital laboratory power sources have two types of outputs: variable, adjustable, and fixed voltage. The fixed output produces a DC voltage with a constant amplitude and current. However, the variable output has a range of adjustable current or voltage, which can be set using a control knob. When selecting this device, the number of output channels is an important consideration. A common example is the dual channel 0 to 30 volts, 0 to 3 a variable power supply, also known as a dual tracking power supply, or dual variable channel. One of the main advantages of this device is the ability to increase the maximum current and/or voltage. By connecting the output terminals in series, the maximum voltage can be doubled, and by connecting them in parallel, the maximum current can be doubled. The device's accuracy is 10 millivolts, 1 milliamps, with current display up to 3 decimal places, milliamps, and features rotary knobs for voltage and current adjustment, as well as power on, off switch, and other controls. Features of a single-channel digital power supply. Variable power source. Digital. Single-channel. Linear transformer based. Output voltage, 0 to 30 volts. Output current, 0 to 5 amperes. Equipped with an output switch. 4-digit voltage and current display. Includes a cooling fan for the device. Equipped with a protective fuse. Adapters are devices that convert alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC. The input voltage of these devices is typically the same as the mains voltage, which is 220 volts, and their output can be a suitable range of DC voltages. The most commonly used voltages are 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, and 24 volts. For example, phone chargers generally require 5 volts, and LED strip lights typically require 12 volts. Another important parameter is the current that an adapter can deliver at the output to the load. The maximum permissible current determines the power rating of an adapter. These adapters are also used in industry as voltage regulators. These power switching adapters have a relatively high cost and also meet industrial standards with adequate reliability. Applications of 24 volts 15A metal power switching power supply, industrial power supply. LED light strips. 3D printers. Closed circuit surveillance cameras. LCD monitors. Specifications of 24 volts 15 ampere metal power switching power supply, industrial power supply. Model S36024. Maximum output power, 360 watts. Output voltage, 24 volts DC, adjustability up to 10%. Maximum output current, 15 ampere DC. Input voltage, 110 220ths of a volt AC. Frequency 50 60ths of a hertz. Short circuit protection. Overvoltage protection. Overload protection. Operating temperature -10 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. Enclosure material, metal. Weight 850 grams. DC motor speed control PWM module. The DC motor speed control PWM module has an input voltage range of 6 to 55 volts DC and a current rating of 40 amperes. Technical specifications of the PWM speed control module. Product name, Micro ZW40 brand, Micro. Input voltage, 9 to 55 volts. Input type, linear load. Output current, 0 to 40 ampere. Continuous power, 2000 watt. Speed control type, current regulation. Speed mode, potentiometer, linear. Speed range, 0 to 100%. Control frequency, 25 kHz. Digital voltage and current display module. The setup of this module is such that if you use a common power supply to power both the display and the load, there is no need to connect the small black wire anywhere, and you only need to connect the large black wire to GND. The integrated voltmeter and ammeter in one product can measure the power current in the circuit. The affordable price, ease of use of the digital voltage and current display module, and the lack of a separate power supply requirement are the strengths of this module. Additionally, this product has an adjustment screw to calibrate the measurement accuracy. Technical specifications of the digital voltage and current display module. Voltage display accuracy, 0.1 volts. Current display accuracy, 0.1 ampere, up to 5% error. Wire specifications. Thin red wire, VCC, positive power supply input, 3.5 to 100 volts. Thin black wire, GND, negative power supply input, 3.5 to 100 volts, and common ground measurement signal. Thin yellow wire, VIN, positive input signal measurement, 0 to 100 volts, 100 volts version, 0 to 33 volts, 33 volts version. Thick red wire, I+, connect to the load or consumer output. Thick black wire, I, connect to the negative of the power supply. This display shows the voltage in red and the current in blue. Voltage is a very important and critical parameter in electronic and electrical circuits. Various instruments such as multimeters are used to measure this parameter. However, one of the key, compact, practical, and cost-effective tools are voltmeter modules. With the help of these modules, you can easily measure the voltage and display it on the screen. The voltmeter-ammeter module is a highly useful module for measuring voltage and current. Using this module, you can easily measure voltages up to 100 volts. In addition, with this module, you can measure currents up to 100 amperes. This module, which has a 7-segment display, can display the measured voltage and current on the segments. In this module, separate displays are provided for displaying voltage and current. Applications of the 4.5 to 100 volt voltmeter-ammeter module. Measurement and display of power supply voltages. Use as a voltage tester and battery health checker for vehicles. Use as a voltage display for dynamo-generated voltages. Use in variable voltage power supplies as a display. In this section, the schematic diagram of running DC motor by means of two DC power sources is demonstrated. The figure on the left shows a DC power supply, available in the market, used to run a DC motor. This power source has DC voltage and current adjustment volumes as well as voltage and current displays. The input voltage of this power supply is 220 volt AC and the output is DC. The schematic diagram on the right is the DC power supply, which has the same function as the figure on the right. In this model, a switching power converter is used to convert AC voltage of 220 volts to DC voltage, which has an output of 24 volts. The output of this power converter is connected to a DC motor speed controller module. The output of this module is connected to the DC motor. The purpose of using the DC motor speed controller module is to adjust the voltage. A DC voltage and current display is also used. As can be seen in this section, the proposed DC power supply can be made in two models. In the first model, the switching power source and the DC motor speed control module are placed in a box. This model is for when the voltage is adjusted once and the device continues to work with the same voltage. In the second model, the switching power converter and the DC motor speed control module are placed in two separate boxes. This model is suitable for when the voltage needs to be adjusted periodically. For this reason, these two can be placed in two separate boxes for the availability of the voltage adjustment volume.